Now, some cats can feel a bit pigeonholed, you know, and I want to go ahead and shout out to like Russ because Russ has now became like this staple of independence,
For
you
sure.
know. Yeah, when it comes to like hip hop right now for rappers who are trying to like do things, you know, alone and by themselves and everything,
Yeah.
right? So, but I want to go ahead and ask you that shit, like, as far as market goes. Now, can somebody be pigeonholed because of that market and make it harder to break out? Because Russ, he wants respect, but
Yeah.
real rappers are just like, yeah, but you ain't black. You came up in the Atlanta scene. You didn't get ushered in by anybody black. So most likely you're really not gonna get as much respect. And plus, when you say things like, well, I could sell out in Paris and with no problems, like I said, well, it's like, yeah, because you ain't black. So the people will stop listening to us and listen to you because it's like, yeah, you're a representation of us now. So guess what? We don't have to listen to these niggas no more. We could just listen to you. So he found his
Um,
market. Is it like that for us now?
I I I'm in between because it's true. Um, Not taking away from anybody's talent
Right.
because that's a big variable. So let's, instead of using Russ right quick, let's use Eminem as a variable. And Eminem is arguably one of the best rappers ever.
I would say
Right.
yeah.
Right. But and he is white. But I don't think Eminem at any point was trying to represent a demographic other than himself.
Mm-hmm.
So I mentioned a couple moments ago that I listen to my music a lot because I relate to it, and that's what people tend to relate to. So maybe a white artist is able to speak on subjects that relates to other white people, and white people being the mass in the buying in the buying market of music, they're able to sell more. I think Russ was able to do what he did not because he was white, but because of his consistency. Um, he built his catalog. He he was able to do so because he's a man of many trades. He does a lot of his creation is all him. So he's able to control his output a lot better. Um, he built his fan base. I don't think you can be pigeonholed for being black, but I do believe that you can be a lot more accepted if you are white, you know, because you've seen the music industry take something that sounds black, but it was on a white face and just sold more.
Yeah, get the Negro pass.
Right. You know, you got Elvis, you got examples like, now shade from nobody.
Right.
Elvis, you got like Blue Eyed Soul, like JT, Justin Timberlake, or Mariah Carey. And these people are amazingly talented.
Yeah.
But because there are some white people that don't like black people, so they refuse to accept the product that is coming from a race that they might not like. Maybe that's the answer or not, but you know, when you can take that same product and put on a white face, it's essentially like crossover, because now white people fuck with it. White people could like something, not even white people could like something, bro, but because they might be a hater inside for whatever reason, they could turn and say, I don't like it, but they know they like it. They say I don't like it, but they bopping their head, you know.
Right.
I feel like when you have a white artist to a white demographic, they have no reason to hate at that point, you know, because it's the same quality content or music, but it's on something that, you know, it's you feel me, like when you go to dinner, you go to a family dinner, Thanksgiving dinner that you got invited to, you got a white chef back there or a black chef back there. Who are you more receptive to collect that plate from? Me, I'm gonna say the black chef, because I feel me, I know where my uncle come from with his chefing skills, or where my auntie, you know, what I know what to expect. You know, it's just you trust that hand. I would say that you trust that hand. I hope I'm answering this question right, because I don't know if you were asking what
Yeah.
can be blacklisted, like some artists that they feel like they're being blacklisted right now.
Yeah, because it almost seems like that. Because, but I really don't want to say that it seems like that. It's just that now, since social media has came into play, everybody has their own fan base.
Right.
So that fan base is not going to rock with somebody else. Matter of fact, I guess I heard some over the week that I guess like is it not Da Baby?
Yeah.
it's getting like blackballed or whatever. And it's like,
I
damn,
don't,
what the
I
fuck,
don't
baby,
believe
do?
I
Yeah,
don't
but
believe
I'm yeah, but it's like he has his own fan base, like social
you
media.
should,
You got your own shit, just like Russ has his own shit, but
right?
Russ's folks may not be up, may not rock with you, and your folks may not rock with Russ. And now hip hop kind of has like this digital divide. Hell, you even have what is the Bay Hive? They don't like nobody but Beyonce. You know, same thing with Cardi
And
B's
that's why
chicks.
you
Yeah,
feature. That's why you feature because then
yeah.
you get that fan base love from But I don't think you can be blacklisted because of the power of the internet. Maybe in the past when they didn't have the internet, but right now, no. They if
It's just canceled. You don't get black, you can just get canceled now.
maybe they might not support you like on you have to get support to really touch mainstream like playlisting those big playlists.
Yeah.
There has to be support from these DSPs. And, Apple puts you on their main rap life playlist. Yo, you have to have love, and whoever's directing that, you gotta have that person gotta fuck with you, or the market has to be like undenied. They can't deny you. They can't like if everybody fucking with you for you to not be on that playlist is because there's some haters in the Apple office or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Because if the world, it's like a DJ. A DJ has to play the song that the audience wants.
Right.
So they got to put the right songs on the playlist. Now, if they want to, if it's like not that way, it's got to be promotion where you have a relationship with these guys and they fuck with you and they're gonna put you on this playlist, this and the third. But you should have your fan base, bro. You don't need a playlist to survive because you'd been at the top of the game at one point. You are a big brand. You're a huge brand. All you need to come with a good product.
Yeah. And you did because I checked the numbers on Spotify, for the first for the first project, it did nice. Yeah, you had some numbers in the six figures in there, especially streaming. It's still counting too. Monthly listeners and everything. So, much props and yeah, good job on that one. And before we head out of here, I gotta ask you this one. So what do you expect to, get from the rap game itself now? Because obviously everybody puts out these projects. Not everybody's jumping on iTunes to purchase anymore. Everybody just goes to Spotify to stream or even Apple to stream and everything. So what keeps the drive alive when well, ain't nobody buying records anymore, but I'm still in the lab putting out?
Well, like I said, consumption changes with technology. Okay, they're not buying for especially the young market. The young market is not buying, especially remember, hip hop is a young genre. So the trends move with the youth. They're not buying, but they're streaming, and you can make money streaming. It takes, if you look at the numbers, streaming. So I like I'm a long-term investor. I like residual income. I like to do something one time and it keeps making money for however long after. That's what streaming is. I might not see what I paid for this song tomorrow, but in 5 years I will. In 10 years I will, and so on and so on. It'll come back, and it'll come back tenfold. I'm not really pressed on sales. I actually have a very strong passion for what I'm doing. I think there was a space for me. I'm not trying to be like nobody else, and I'm just trying to make way for what I'm trying to build, bring my people with me, change lives around me, build something for our culture to push our culture forward. I just feel like this is truly my calling, if I'm being honest. I don't know. I feel like most men should feel this way, but if I'm not able to accomplish the goals that I really care about, I'm gonna feel incomplete. Or I will never feel satisfied until I'm attaining where I want to go. That's what drives me, bro. I just want to get to where I want to go and help others on the way and leave a lasting legacy and be great.
Oh, that's what's up. Now, is there anything else you want to go ahead and mention as far as exclusive wise, like what's coming up?
Okay, man. Yeah,
Yeah, what's coming
bro.
up?
Confidence, the project called Confidence that's coming out October 28th. I just dropped a video last night called Never Double Back. I'm about to go to Puerto Rico next week to go shoot a video called Montclair Baby. That's on the project. Got a couple more videos to shoot. By the end of November or the top of January, we're gonna have a song called Jouet Boys Jouetstas drop with me and Spliff, as well as a song called Family to follow that. And then January we should see me and Spliff collaboration tape. It's called the Jouet Boys. That's probably gonna be like 16 to 20 songs. It's fire, man. It's really just a representation of the culture in South Florida. Um, what else, bro? I'm working on an app. I'm working on a tour. I'm trying to do a show in January and then tour sometime top of next year. But I'm just trying to be as active as possible, shoot more videos. Oh, I got a sneaker vlog.
Oh wow.
Yeah, bro. I'm working on a sneaker vlog called Kid Faze Closet. Like we in my closet right now, bro. I got a lot of shoes. You know, like
we in this nigga's closet.
Yeah, man. It get kind of crazy in here. You know, I'm big on swag, bro.
I see.
What else?
I ain't showing y'all my closet shit.
More vlog content, breaking down some of these songs, these lyrics, breaking down studio sessions, because we've been recording a lot of the content. Just trying to feed my YouTube, man. Feed my just open up much more and more to the people who are interested in me and what I got going on. Got a Kiddo Boy video in the works that's gonna be called Hey Girl, and then Girlfriend come right after that. Just trying to stay busy, man. Trying to involve my peoples, trying to grow, you know, make things happen. Hopefully I get more interviews, more people to meet and talk to, people that come along this journey of mine and help push it forward and to propel it into something beautiful.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And know what? In the future, you know, near future, because I'm trying to get more rappers on the platform, but gotta have you and Spliff, you know, on the platform again, back on the Raw exclusive.
Split energy too, man. That boy Spliff is a freaking ball of energy, bro. Like that's why I love to stay with him, man. He bring out something. He brings something out of me for sure.
Yeah, so we'll go ahead and have him on the show, especially when it comes to you guys, you know, promoting that album. So we gotta definitely have both of you back on the platform, man. But I just want to say, yo, thank you, you know, for coming on the show, man. Much blessings. The project is hot. I already know the next project gonna be hot. We're gonna be looking out for another crazy ass video. So y'all in Puerto Rico bullshit, and I wonder what y'all gonna put in this one now.
Yeah, it's gonna be like not a sad, but it's gonna be more of an empathetic video because you know they just got hit by a hurricane.
Yeah,
outside the island, kind of messed up, man. I just wanna.
Yeah, I'm surprised y'all even going down there to shoot.
Yeah. I want to show the beauty and the madness. You know.
Okay. Yeah. Much safe travels there, man. But hey, thank you for coming on the show and everything.
Being here, man. Thank you, bro.
Kid Faze. Make sure y'all follow him on the gram. Make sure you follow him on Facebook. Make sure you follow him on YouTube. Yeah, he's everywhere. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and throw your stickers up there and everything so these people can see because you know, motherfuckers' attention span be done after 15 minutes and shit. But yeah, but Kid Faze, thank you for joining me. It's your dude, Reece Black. Y'all have a good evening. Peace.
Rock exclusive.